I get the classic Nissin. Now, this is definitely what you'd find in most stores around here. I've had a few versions of this. I'm not sure if I've put this one on the channel yet. I've put a few of these versions though. But I don't know if I've touched the Sizzlin rich pork, and if I haven't, if I did, it's been a while, so maybe it's changed. Let's get into it. See what's inside. Alright, well, powder, got the flake, and their fire sauce. Not bad. Let's see if there's fire in that sauce. I think it'll be as hot as Bulldog. I have my doubts, but it might be. It might be. I could be wrong. Okay. Ramen dish in there, and noodles are definitely smaller than the Bulldog version, but let's give them a go. Alright. Well, the pork flake packet, or whatever it is, definitely made a mess. Let's get that in there. A little steam off of it. You can see it's freshly cooked. Alright, I guess I better put the powder sauce first and then the hot sauce, just to give it base. Here's the fire sauce. It says please add. Right, they're begging you to add this. It is funny. Tell you what, that's a lot runnier than the Bulldog sauce. Bulldog sauce, I had a hard time getting out of there. It was like molasses. Alright. Just continue. Okay, so that's pretty good. Go give it a try. Okay, here we go with the Nissin's pork firewalk. Hot ramen. Is it as hot as the Bulldog? Well, I doubt it, but we'll give it the best shot. I'll give it an honest take. Alright. Here we go. Let the heat build. See where it settles. I'm gonna have to get me some chopsticks. Now I haven't used chopsticks in a long time. Aunt forced me to use them. Let's give it another go. Okay, heat wise, compared to the Bulldog, I would say about at least. Put the Bulldog as a top. It's not the hottest ramen out there, but if you put that on a scale of 10, this would rate 4, 3 or 4. Anyways, thanks for watching.